Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use AI, Google Lens and ChatGPT tutorial on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search, click on keyboard and search ChatGPT. After search ChatGPT, click on install. After click on install, you will see app is installing. Start. After installing, click on open. Click on continue with Google. Continue. Allow and click on keyboard and search and you will see so after the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.